Welcome to StudyWint, where we make learning a breeze. Today we will be looking at the discriminant. So the discriminant in the quadratic formula is b squared minus 4ac. This number can show you how many solutions a quadratic equation has, without you having to calculate the whole equation. So if the discriminant is above 0, then there will be two roots where the equation crosses the x-axis on a graph, so two solutions. If the discriminant equals 0, there will be one root, and therefore one solution. And if the discriminant is below 0, then there can be 0 roots, because if root b squared minus 4ac, if b squared minus 4ac is below 0, you will have to try and square root something which is below 0, which is impossible because any number squared has to be above 0, because any number squared will make the number positive, because a negative number times itself is a positive number. So actually a root of a negative number doesn't exist. So if it's below 0, then there can't be a solution. So y equals x squared plus 5x plus 9. B is 5, a is 1, because there is 1x squared, and c is 9. 5 squared minus 4 times 9 is less than 0, so there can be no solutions to that. And if you worked it out on a calculator with the quadratic formula, you would find that there are no solutions. And taking x squared minus 8x plus 12, b squared minus 4ac, 8 squared minus 4 times 12 is above 0, so there will be two solutions. And if you went onto a calculator and tried to work it out for yourself, you would find there are two solutions to the equation. So now the comprehension test. Here you will not be finding x, you'll just be finding the value of the discriminant and the amount of solutions, but it's written as an equation form to help you identify the discriminant, since in an exam they'll write it like this, they won't write the discriminant laid out for you. So x squared plus 5x plus 4, what's the discriminant and how many solutions will there be? The discriminant is 9, because 5 squared minus is 25, minus 16 is 9, and so there will be two solutions. What's 3x squared plus 6x plus 3? What's the discriminant here, and how many solutions are there? The discriminant is 0, so there's one solution. Since 4 times 9 is 36, since 3 times 3 is 9, and 4 times 3 times 3 is 4 times 9, which is 36, and 6 times 6 is also 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. So what this means in a graph is that the quadratic graph will just touch the x-axis and not go below or above it. And lastly, x squared plus 8x plus k has one solution, so you need to find k. What would k be to make x squared plus 8x plus k make the discriminant equal 0 to have one solution? Well, k would have to be 16, because 8 squared is 64, and 4 times 16 is 64. That's all for today, so remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more maths videos, which hopefully help you.